Hey everybody, that's Swinger70, your old buddy. Not really an unboxing. I just thought I'd show you guys something I picked up for myself. I picked up this little tactical sling bag. It's a shoulder sling bag for your concealed carry EDC gear. I guess what had happened was, about a weekend or so ago, I was out walking around, in this little town. Nice little area. A lot of shops and stuff like that. And just enjoying the one day of good weather we were having. And I noticed it was warm out. I was wearing shorts and t-shirt and everything. And I was noticing that, my pistol and everything was comfortable, but it weighing me down, weighing my pants down. And I had a belt on my shorts, and everything was concealed nice, but my pants kept falling down. And I kept on having to lift my pants up every 5 seconds. I don't have an ass, so I don't know. So be it. But I figured for things like that, it would be nice to have a little like a bag, because it's not just your sidearm. It's your wallet, it's your keys, it's your cell phone, it's your pocket change, your pen, your flashlight, whatever it is you've got in your pockets. It just gets to be a little much. Your pants are weighed down and just gets to be a little much. So I thought something like this would be good for days where I'm going to be out walking around doing stuff outside. And maybe like if I'm going to the beach, or if I'm going on a hike on the trails or something, which I like to do in the summer with Logan. Something like this may be a little better. I could just throw it over my shoulder and drive on. So I picked this up, Amazon, for like $17. It's VAV, has a little patch. Yakeda, YAKEDA, has a little patch that tears off here in the front. It's not a bad little rubber patch. So I figured this will do the trick. It's got nice pockets. It's got a pocket here in the front. I guess you put your cell phone in there. It's got a smaller pocket right behind it, where I guess you can put some other things. Your wallet, maybe an EDC knife, and maybe a little tactical flashlight. And in the bigger pocket here, well, I already put something in there just to size it up. That's right. That's the G2C, everybody. My buddy and yours. Oh, we'll put that off to the side. It is loaded. And as you can see, the inside main pocket's very big, very deep. And it has, again, very strong Velcro, which you can configure to wrap it around to act as a holster for your pistol. It's got some MOLLE here for extra magazines, maybe a pen, again, maybe for a flashlight or a knife. It's got plenty of space for all that. Turn it over on its back, and it's got a little zipper here with a little hook and lanyard. Again, put your keys in here, maybe some pocket change, and then right back here, got another zipper pocket. Nice deep zipper pocket above and below. Openings. Very strong, very well made. I threw my my paracord on here, just a little extra paracord I had. And again, you can put your patches on here. I like this. I think this is really, really snazzy. And it should be able to hold everything that I usually carry. When I go out, excuse me, I'm not all strapped up like I'm going to a SWAT team exercise. But at the same time, I do like to keep, an extra magazine. It's usually in my pocket. Pen, flashlight, again, always in my pocket. My holster and my gun is usually, the most comfortable piece, but everything else, my wallet, my cell phone, keys, you name it, just weighs everything down. And in situations like this, where I'm going out for the day, I'm going to be walking around, casual, what have you, I think something like this is really good. So again, it's not necessarily a company I've ever heard of, but the price was right, and I figured, how bad could it be? The stitching is very strong. The zippers are very strong, very well made. I even have a little lock here that I'll probably put up on these zippers here in the main compartment just when I'm not using it, and I'll keep my pistol in there locked up. So yeah, VAV Yakeda, not a bad little sling bag for the price, and it looks like it would suit all of our needs, for that, whatever that particular situation may be. If you guys have any ideas of what else I could put in this other than the aforementioned items, feel free to leave me a comment below. If there's something you don't like about this bag, let me know. I'd like to get other opinions. I mean, I bought it, so I got it, but I'd like to get everybody's opinion, see what they think. I like to know if people think I wasted my money. So anyway, all that being said, I'm going to take this opportunity now also to wish everybody a very happy and healthy Memorial Day weekend coming up. And I hope everybody gets a chance to enjoy the weather, at least in my neck of the woods, on Saturday. That's going to be the nicest day for us. Every other day is going to be raining. It's been raining a lot here in Philly. So, until next time, this is S-Winger 70, minus Logan. She's with Mommy, saying, shoot 'em straight.